welcome to my channel. My name is Mina, for those who do not know, and for those who do know, hello, it's been a while. Okay, so today we're gonna make some stuffed chicken marsala. Every time I go to Olive Garden, which I haven't been in a decade or so, I wanna say. Why? Because I don't know, I can make it at home. Let's get started. First, we're gonna need some chicken breast. And we're gonna cut it open. We're gonna split it so we can stuff some goodies in there. Alright, so we got some chicken breast, nicely cleaned. And we're gonna split it open. If you want, you can definitely, what's the word? Smash it, I guess, to kind of spread it open and cook evenly. I'm gonna make two. Hi, Luffy. Yeah, it's been a while. Luffy. All right. A plate. And then get some flour. And a little bit of breadcrumb, like so. And then we can get some salt and pepper in here. Give it a nice toss, just so it's evenly seasoned. Okay, I'm gonna set that aside. Okay, we're gonna want some sour cream. About yay much. What does that look like to you? Maybe like a tablespoon. Sour cream. A bit of shredded mozzarella. And a little bit of provolone. Some cheese. Yummy. A little bit of Parmesan. Sun-dried tomatoes. I don't like them this big, so I'm gonna get it a little bit smaller. If you want, you can do spinach, artichoke, or whatever you prefer. Give it a little stir. Doesn't have to be perfect. It's gonna melt anyways. Okay, now bring our chicken back. What we're gonna do is have one and stuff it with the filling we made. Fold that baby back over, and we're gonna coat the breadcrumb and flour, salt and pepper mixture that we did. Just a nice even coat. Give it a little bit of a crisp and a texture on the outside. Otherwise, it'll just be like grilled chicken. And we want to be a little bit fancier than that. Get that nicely coated. Hi, Nufi. And then this one I'm gonna save for my dog. Okay, so that's really ready, but I'm gonna pull it to the side, turn on my toaster oven, and turn on my skillet so the oil will be nice and hot. And then in the meantime, I'll prep the mushrooms to make the marsala sauce. Oven is preheating at 375 degrees Fahrenheit. And the oil is on the skillet, heating up on a medium-high level. Rule of thumb with mushrooms, you do not want to wash it directly underwater because it gets water. What's the right word? it soaks up a lot of water, and you don't want watery like mushrooms. So get a damp paper towel and just give it a nice little wipe down, I guess. So it's nice and hot. So I'm gonna turn on the fan, so it's gonna get loud. But basically, your thing is you're not cooking the chicken on the skillet. The cooking will be completed in the oven. So you're just trying to brown out the crust so it's nice and crisp and give it an extra color. I'm going to transfer it to the oven. And let it cook for 30 minutes. Now do not wash this pan. On the same pan, we're going to add butter. I love butter, so I'm going to use about, what is that, 2 tablespoons. On medium heat and get all that flavor from the pan that you cooked with the chicken. Mushrooms. I'm gonna higher the temperature to medium high. Just roughly cut the mushrooms. I don't mind it. It's going into my stomach. I'm gonna get our masala wine. I'm gonna bring it up to high. What is that? Like, this was 16 ounces, so maybe like 8 ounces? About yay much. Halfway a little bit. Just eyeball it, and then once that starts simmering, you're gonna add some heavy cream to thicken the sauce. Not all of it, because I want to make some mashed potatoes for it, so I'm gonna save a little bit of the heavy cream. Medium, and let it just do its thing. It's gonna start thickening up while it simmers. All that flavor is gonna be in there. We're gonna make some mashed potatoes. Most of the time my potatoes go to waste, so I buy the cut up frozen potatoes. Have it boil for maybe until it's a little bit translucent. Pouring away. So while that's going on, I'm just gonna wash the dishes, clean up the area, and yeah. Alright, potatoes look a little bit translucent. You see. Gotta poke it with a fork. Yep, that's good. Turn off the heat. Drain the potatoes. In the same pan, 2 tablespoons of butter. I love garlic, so maybe about that much. What is that, a teaspoon? Add a little bit of the heavy cream that's left over. And do some salt and pepper. the rough mash, so it kind of works good with the fork. But if you want, you can use the electric mixer to give it a more smooth texture. And the trick to another mashed potato is if you have some instant mashed potato flavoring, you can add that, so it would be like half real potatoes, half of the powdered mashed potato. But I like my potatoes potato, if that makes sense. And voila! Easy mashed potatoes. Like that took maybe 10 minutes, I want to say. The potatoes, because it's diced, it's so small, it cooks quick. So you don't have to worry about your potatoes going bad or peeling it or washing it after a long day. You just pop that in some water, let it boil until it's to your texture, I guess. There you have it. Garlic mashed potatoes. Quick and easy. That's Luffy's chicken. It's just plain chicken breast. It's reducing nicely. Beautiful. This is good sauce. It's nice and thick, like gravy. Okay, we're ready to plate. Ta-da! Look at that beauty. And there you have it. Stuffed chicken masala, inspired by Olive Garden. And some easy garlic mashed potatoes. Hope you guys enjoyed this.